Hi, hello, welcome to JAK Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to see the diode characteristics, that is VI characteristics of a IN4001 diode, PN junction diode by using LTspice software. So already I have made one video, tutorial video in LTspice. If you haven't seen that video, just click on the link which I have provided in the video description. You check out that video so that this diode characteristic video will be more convenient to you to understand the LTspice more efficiently. Come, let us go to the video directly. So first click LTspice software. So this is the LTspice software simulator page, and first you click on the new schematic, and we need one diode and resistor 1 kilo ohm and then one DC voltage source. So first click the diode. So it is a PN junction diode. We are going to see the DC characteristics. So we have to. So there are since there are so many diodes are available, we need to select the PN junction diode, that is IN4001 model. So you just click on the. You just make a right click and select pick new diode option, and you scroll down. You check whether IN4001 is available. But no, here that IN4001 diode is not available. So we have to manually add that library file into LTspice software simulator. First, I will tell you how to add manually that IN4001 in LTspice software. So for that, you just close this one window. You go to the My Computer, then Documents. In Documents, there will be a folder LTspice. Click on that. There are several folders and files will be available. Here you click on the LIB, that is library. Here again, some folders will be available. You click on CMP. Here there is a option called Standard Type LTspice Diode. You click on that. So there are so many models are available. You come down at the end, at the bottom of this page. Here, you just click here and copy that model. I'm having the IN4001 model in my system. So I'm just copying that file, copying that model parameter, and I am pasting that here. Okay, so here I have pasted that IN4001 model in this library file. Okay, then save it, then close this one, and now again open the LTspice software. Click again new schematic and then select diode. Now we have to select the particular IN4001. Since we have added the IN4001 in the library file, it will be available in the diode section. You just check that one, right click, pick new diode and come down. So you have here the IN4001 diode is available. So you click here and OK. So IN4001 diode is selected. So the next thing, we need a resistor. So this is the resistor symbol. Click on the resistor. And as I told you in the previous video itself, we can change the direction, orientation of the component by clicking Control R. So I want the resistor in this direction. So I'm keeping this R1 resistor as in this direction. And then give escape. Next, I need a one DC source, voltage source. So for that, you click on the component icon. This is the component icon, and the search box you type as voltage. Okay. So keep it here. Okay. And again, so now we need to connect voltage source, resistor, and diode. Three things by using the wire. So this is the wire symbol. Select and click on the each component and connect. Okay. So the next thing, we need to add ground point. So this is the ground symbol. Click here and place it here and connect with the circuit by using wire. So we have already specified the diode D1, what kind of a model it is. And now we need to specify the values for resistor and as well as the DC source. So click here, and resistance you take it as 1 kilo, 1K. And then click here, voltage source, select as 5 voltage. Okay. Then next step, in the simulate option, you click on the simulate option, come to edit simulation command, and here you go to the DC sweep option. Name of the first source. Here the voltage source is V1. Type of sweep. That means how you want to look your output waveform, in what kind of a type, what type you need to view the waveform in a simulation window. That is the option here, right? Here you select as linear, then start value. So voltage source, there is variable voltage source. The start value and the end value we can specify. So from, if you give it as 0 to 5, start point as 0 and end point as stop point value as 5, means you can vary the value from 0 to 5 voltage. So now here I am giving minus 5 voltage. Okay, minus 5 to, and stop value 5 plus 5 and increment. So when you vary, each how many increments should be takes place when you vary the voltage between 5 voltage to plus minus 5 to plus 5. So I am specifying here at 0.01. Click on OK. So everything is specified here. And when you see the DC characteristics of a diode, we need to DC characteristics means we need to analyze the VI characteristics, obviously. So VI is a voltage across the diode and current in the diode, that we need to check. So we have to check the voltage across the diode. So we have to keep one V naught value on terminal here. Okay, so that we can check the output voltage. So voltage value of this diode and as well as the current value, not here, right? So not for this voltage source and the current source, only across the voltage across the diode D1 and current value of D1. So here you select this one, label net, you type it as VO, that is output voltage, and you just click on this portion. Okay, everything we specified. Now we can run this schematic so that we can get the simulation output, and we can check how the voltage and current variation will be occurring. So click on the run option. So you will get the window like this. Here we have to specify the x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis is specified by voltage and y-axis not at specified. So you click on this window and there is an option add traces here. So you need to check the current in the diode D1. So click this one, I in bracket D1, there is an option, click on that. Okay. So it will be specified here. So the current value of the various values will be specified in the y-axis, and in x-axis we supposed to need the V naught value, not the voltage source value. So we need to change this one minus 5 voltage to 5 voltage value to V naught. So we first we have to add the V naught in the horizontal axis, x-axis. So for that, here click, right click, add traces, and there is an option V naught. Like, don't click OK, just click and it will be expressed here. You just copy this one and close this window, and here you come to this one, this side, x-axis, and quantity plotted. You just paste the that you copied text here. Okay. V in bracket V naught. So click OK. So now you will get the DC characteristics of a PN junction diode. You can see, so there won't be any current values for between this minus 4.9, that is 5 to minus 5 to and 0.6 voltage. Only by reaching this 0.7 voltage, there is a current conduction will be there in your across the diode. So this only we have usually studied, no, in PN junction diode. The current conduction takes place after only the threshold voltage value. So the threshold voltage value is this one, 0.7. So only after 0.7 the current conduction will be takes place. So the theoretical concept what we have studied in our textbooks and classrooms, right, that we have simulated over here. So this is the DC characteristics. So the DC characteristics means there is VI characteristics, voltage and current characteristics. The voltage and current relationship of the diode is nothing but of a DC characteristics. So hope you have understood the video of how to simulate the DC characteristics of the PN junction diode, that is RL's IN4001 diode, using LTspice software simulator. And I am doing the LTspice software series. Already I have done on video, tutorial video for beginners. If you did not see that video, you click on the video description. There I have specified the video link. You click on the link and you just see that video, and then you can check my further videos that I'm going to post in the LTspice. Okay, so if you like my video, like, comment, and share, and subscribe my channel, JAK Tech YouTube channel. I hope this video was useful to you. If you like my video, like, comment, and share, and subscribe our channel, JAK Tech YouTube channel. And if you have any suggestions on feedbacks, you post it on the comment box, or else you just leave a message to my WhatsApp. Thank you once again. One life. Love you all.